Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 2. Find R if 6R7 base 8 is equals to 511 base 9, A5, B2, C3, and D6. Now we have to find R in this given what expression. We're given that 6R7 base 8 is equal to 511 in base 9. Now for us to be able to find R, we have to convert both sides to base 10. Since they are in different bases, we can't find R, so converting them to base 10 will enable us to get the value of R. So we convert both sides to base 10. Therefore 6R7 base 8 will be equals to 6 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 2. Remember the powers from the right to the left, starting from 0, base 2, plus R times 8 raised to the power of 1 plus 7 times 8 raised to the power of 0. Then 511 base 9 will be equal to 5 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 2, same way 2, 0, 1, 2. Then plus 1 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 0. Now, therefore, we have that 6 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 2 plus R multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 1 plus 7 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 0 is equal to, now this here represents what 6R7 base 8. We've converted it to base 10. This is the conversion to base 10. Then it's equals to 5 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 0. Also 511 base 9 has been converted to base 10. This is the conversion to base 10. Now from this we have that 6 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 2 will give us 64 plus R multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 1 is 8 plus 7 multiplied by 1, 8 raised to the power of 0 is 1, 8 raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Then this is equal to 5 multiplied by what? 81. 9 raised to the power of 2 is 81 plus 1 multiplied by 9 plus 1 multiplied by 1. 9 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So from this, 6 multiplied by 64 will give us 384 plus 8R plus 7 is equal to 5 multiplied by 81 will give us 405 plus 9, that's 1 times 9, then plus 1 times 1. So from this we have that 384 plus 7 collecting like terms now will give us 391. So we have 391 plus 8R is equals to 405 plus 9 plus 1 will give us 415. Now collecting like terms we have that 8R is equals to 415 minus 391, meaning that 8R is equals to 24. Now we divide both sides by the coefficient of R, which is 8. 8 here we cancel 8. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. So that means the value of R is equals to 3. So it simply means that 637 base 8 is equals to 511 base 9. That is because this 3 here represents R. So R is equals to 3, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.